Repair Clinic makes fixing things easy, with millions of replacement parts available on our website and the help you need to do the repair yourself. Since we encourage you to perform this repair safely, a warning icon will appear when you should use caution. To replace the washer power cord, unplug the old cord from the outlet. Use a 1/4-inch socket or nut driver to unthread the rear screws, securing the top panel. Slide the top panel back and lift up to detach. Note the orientation of the power cord wires connected to the noise filter, then disconnect them. Use a 5/16" socket or nut driver to unthread the screws securing the grounding wire. Now use pliers to rotate the strain relief to remove the old cord. Install the new power cord by inserting the wires through the rear panel, then rotate the strain relief to lock it into place. Connect the wires to the appropriate terminals on the noise filter. Rethread the screw to secure the grounding wire. Realign the top panel and slide it into position. Secure the screws. With the repair completed, plug the new power cord in, and your washer should be ready for use. At Repair Clinic, we make fixing things easy. Thank you for supporting the production of these videos by purchasing your parts from our website.